Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 9 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day out there, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. To begin a great relationship, know what you want. Know what the needs of your body are, what the needs of your mind are, and what fits well with you. There are millions of men and women, and some of them will make a good match for you, and others won't. The two of you only need to be like a key and a lock, a match that works. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 111, NASDAQ up 12, S&P's up 8.5, gold contract down 740, trading at 1,344 an ounce. Silver off 13 cents at $22.52 an ounce. Platinum down $8 at $1,461 an ounce. Copper flat at $3.28 a pound. Light sweet crude off 44 cents at $98.24 a barrel. Bonds up 4 ticks, trading at 135.11. We have King Dollar. She made a move out here, folks. She rejected lower price. She only needs a few more ticks to be inside that higher range. She was up 394 ticks, trading out at 79.70. The euro is down 43 at 137.42, and the yen up 49, trading out at 98.17. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks, on what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You have the cash S&P. We're at 1679. You got to a higher high. It's been crawling up there the last 5 days in a row. We did 670 million versus 731. And what's that all about, folks? It's all about that good old Dow wants to hit that high. Pretty amazing, actually. So what does the Dow do out here today? We go up 111 points. You get to 15,572, and that high that's waiting to be tested out there is 15,709. Volume's not behind the move, but bottom line, that Dow wants to get tested. Inside the Dow Industrials today, leading it was IBM, Marvell, Home Depot, and United Healthcare. Taken away from it was Caterpillar, Microsoft, Boeing, and DuPont. Now, NASDAQ Composite, different animal. What you have with the composite is this. Composite's up $12. It's right at its highs of last Thursday. The high of last Thursday out here was 39.61. We got to 39.57. You closed at 39.52. Bottom line, NASDAQ Composite just doesn't have the juice. Inside the NDX 100, what you have is this, is that the NDX closed at 33.91. The high out here from last week was 3,400. Just not enough juice inside it. The 3 Qs, and remember the NDX 100 and the NASDAQ had already finished their A to B, well, actually A to B equals C to D, and that baby there that had done that, okay, was from the 2007 lows. That's what it was. We take a look at the after the market out here, well, inside the NDX 100, this is what you had out here today. Well, here, now let's go to the gold contract first. We go take a look at gold. This is what we have with gold. Gold contract out here today, pullback with 121,000 contracts. That's light pullback, $7. What you have is that you're pulling into 216,000, which is really sweet. No two ways about that. It looks to me like the gold contract and many of the gold equities are actually setting ABC structures on the way up, folks. Bonds. We go take a look at the bond market. This is what we have with bonds. 30-year bond, 237,000 contracts. This baby's going topside, man. It already broke the B point with volume. The way this is trading right now, you're at 135.11. Wants to get up there to the 138 level. King Dollar. Let's go take a look at it. So this is what she did out here today. She only needs a few more ticks. She did 18,000 contracts. She's at 79.70, and it's 79.72 to get back inside the range. You know, I suspect she's going to get back inside that range tomorrow. Apple, of course, was the one of the numbers out here today. Apple, you talk about wide price spread. We went from 539 to 516. You did 22 million shares, and this is a crucial number, folks, because the number of the lower range is 513.74. That's what it is. I suspect she's going to get in there. This is a monster bearish engulfing. Yeah, it's a monster. She took out 5 days. Inside the NDX 100 today, what you had is that it was Activision. Yeah, it was Activision leading it on the way down. Seagate Technology, Rango Resources, and Pacecar. Putting some juice into it. You had Sears up $6 at $62. Micron Technology was up 78 cents at $17.50. Netflix was up 13 to $3.27. And Analog Devices was up $1.69. Bottom line, though, we go over to the 3Qs. What you're going to see is that the 3Qs closed at 83.06, and the last high out there was the 83.28. Hasn't been able to get up there just yet. I don't see any action on these the 3Qs. That's the bottom line. NDX 100 just doesn't seem like it's going to fly. After the close out here, Buffalo Wild Wings, BWLD. That is a little powerhouse right now. That closed at 129. She's trading 139. Numbers go like this. Let me see these numbers. Okay, so where are you? Revenue is up 27%. Revenue is $313 million. And bottom line, they got some action going. LNKD. KD. This is LinkedIn. LinkedIn closed at 247. She's trading 250. She's been trading up and down. Bottom line, you can expect that volatility, and I expect that volatility is going to stay here for a while. Let's go to Rick in British Columbia. Hey, Rick, what's going on?
Hey, how you doing, Tom? You went over the Dow. I see we're getting close to the high on that one too.
Isn't that crazy? It's just amazing that it clawed its way all the way back up there. No doubt.
Yeah. Hey, I'm thinking oil might pull back to like $85. Just, I don't mean right away, but what's your thoughts on oil? And then I'm asking you XLE at the same time.
The CRB. Okay, so yeah, the oil contract is game for that. Let me pull it up here. Oil, where are you, baby?
CLZ.
Yeah, no, I got it, yeah. So we're at 98.24. I suspect what it's going to try to do first is go hit 100.
Yeah, I think so. Maybe even just a hair over. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, you had the first leg down. Well, this leg down here, folks, from August, it went from 109 down to 95. The way that it's set up right now, it can bump into that pretty easy. The last 3 days, you've had a contraction of volume, but yeah, I think 102, and then what's going to be game down there is 88.78. That's what it looks like. Let me pull this back a little bit more. Yeah, I mean that other side is game, because see what you have here, folks. Watch this. This is pretty cool. Yeah, it's amazing. Yeah, when we broke down coming across October 16, 17, 18, we broke with conviction, man. You broke that whole uptrend that had started going all the way back from April 19th with conviction. If we go over to the XLE, is that what you want to look at?
Yeah, I was tempted to short it today, but I don't think it's quite ready, so I stayed away. But today's volume was about 13-14% light, which is good. I think we're going to get another pop-up, but I'm ready to hit that thing at the previous highs or even higher.
Yeah, no,
depending on where it gaps up tomorrow.
I like this trade, so watch this trade, folks. So the XLE has a high of 87.59. We get to 87.34 today. The 87.59 has volume of 14 million. Then we come off the 14 million, we go down with 16. You would have loved to get a hit today, Rick, because you get 6.3 million. So that would be really sweet if you could hit that level, folks, with like 6 million shares. Because if you got...
Well, what you want to see, especially what's even nicer is the fact that today's volume was so light.
Yeah, no
You know
doubt.
what I mean?
No doubt.
We're above the previous 2 days. That's one thing on your side. And yet, I kept looking at that high, and I'm going, well, you know what? We haven't tested that yet. I'm not hitting that thing yet today. And I looked at the oil contract, and I'm thinking the same thing you are. Into around 100, could even go a little higher. And I'm hoping it happens tomorrow morning.
Well, and what you have is this, Rick. If you go over now, the XLM is the largest weighting inside the XLE. If you go over there, we're at 88.93, and that wants to test 88.75. You get a test.
Which one's that again? Which one's that?
ExxonMobil, XOM.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Go check out the swing points from the 20th of September. That's what it wants to test, and it's right next to it.
Right on, thanks.
Have a great one, man. Have a safe one. You stay right there, folks. We'll come right back. We had the Dow finish up 111, Nasdaq up 12, S&P's up 8.5. We're going to be right back.